got sounds coming from the back side. I hit this sound. I have to fix it, open it. We will make a video how to fix that. You know, this is very bad way. Today we're going to fix the sounds coming from here. We're going to open it. Now you have to put the seat down. Here's 10mm bulb. 10mm. After that, this side have a clips. Push here. Slide this. It's coming out. Actually, this one all the time it's losing, and my charger it was the same. I put it the glue, nothing. Just losing, but it's no problem. When you remove it, pull this like that. When you put it back, by one hand it's a little bit difficult. Put this one. Just like this, and put it back. It's good to go. Just make sure this is tight. If not tight, it will make a sound. This one, if make sound, open this a little bit. It will be okay. Not too much, just a little bit. So now from down here, from this one out, that's one. At the corner, there's another one. That's two. Everything's loose. Remove the down plastic. Then make sure your hand is clean, because the inside it's like white. If your hand is a little bit dirty, see handprints coming from there. This is water, clean water. We're going to clean it after. Make sure the airbags is here. I open it, everything. I will show you how you're going to pull the piece down here. Here have an edge. Just pull it out. It will come out very easily. From this, the downside, this one, it has like this clips. You have to pull it to the inside car, to this side. And here's another one, two. There's the third one. This piece also has like this clips. This is very hard. You have to pull it a little bit hard. Just make sure don't break it, and make sure your hand is clean. See, I had some marks here. I will clean it. My hand was dirty a little bit, and that sound, I think this was a loose. This is the airbag. Be careful. This was like, it was a loose. See, this one, it was loose. I put it down, and I will put something back there. This is for the airbags. Just I will make sure it doesn't make any noise. So what I discovered when I open it here, this one was loose. This is small sound. If the car, everything is closed, this is the chassis. The sound is going everywhere on the car. This was a loose, and now I will put, this is tape. I make it like it's sticky on my hand. I will put it here. Just like You can actually remove that one. It's a little bit hard. Number one hand, you just can't tape here. Just a little bit. Just gonna cut it. What gonna happen? I put the tape. When you put this one back, see, there's no sound, and you're going to put the clips back. It will do the job. Just I put some tape, and actually here, this one also, it was making sound. I put some tape between the chassis and this one. This one is okay. This is loose right now. When you put back together, it will not making sound. I hope we fixed the problem. I think this was the problem. This was making very much noise. So I opened this one also because I has those speaker back there. I remove it because maybe I'm planning to sell my car. I don't want to lose those speakers. I put the original one. And when you open this one, no way you're going to make this out. This all the time it's broken like this. Every time I put it with silicone or something, it's not working. Just leave it right there. When you put that back, it will make contact with the other one. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anything about the Chrysler or the Charger.